In this video, I'll be using PowerShell to configure search engines in Microsoft Edge. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And here you can see the PowerShell snippet that I will be using to configure the search engines. And it works by creating a JSON object with all of the configuration and then placing that JSON object in Windows registry. And here I'm configuring DuckDuckGo search engine. And here I'm making it my default search engine. That means that I don't need to provide any keywords for it to perform my searches. And here the important part is the search URL. And then I'm configuring two secondary search engines. So I'm configuring Bing and also Google. So if I want to use Bing, I will need to provide keyword Bing. And if I want to use Google, I will need to provide keyword Google. And if you want to make Google your default search engine, then you need to move this parameter from here to this object right here. Anyways, now I will click on the button right here to copy the snippet, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have this Windows virtual machine. And if I open Microsoft Edge here, and let's try to perform search. So I will search for Google. And as you can see, it is searching with Bing. So if I click here, we go to Microsoft Bing. And that means that currently Microsoft Bing is the default search engine. Now I will open my terminal application, I will run it as administrator, and I will insert the snippet from the GitHub page. I will press enter. It seems that it was executed successfully. And for the settings to apply, I need to relaunch Edge. So I will close it and reopen it. And if I perform search now, let's type Google once again. And this time you can see that the search is performed by DuckDuckGo. If I click on it, the search was executed with DuckDuckGo. And because I configured my secondary search engines, I can click here, I can type my keyword, so it's Google for Google. And if I type space after Google, you can see that now it will perform searches with google.com. And if I type Google in Google, it will search with Google. Also, if I click here and type Bing and put a space, it will search with Bing. That's Bing for Google. And now the search was performed by Microsoft Bing. And that's basically it for configuring search engines with PowerShell. And now if you want to revert back the changes that were made by the PowerShell snippet, we can go to registry and remove the registry entry. And for that, I will go to my start menu. Here I will type regedit. And then I will run it as administrator, click yes here. Here I will go to local machine, software, policies, Microsoft Edge. And here we have the registry entry that was created with the PowerShell snippet. If I click on it, here we can see the JSON object that we created and placed in the Windows registry. Let's close this. Let's right click here and delete. Now for the settings to apply, we need to relaunch Edge. So I will close it and reopen it. And if I perform a search now, it will be performed by Microsoft Bing. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.